If you've explored your Sales Hub, you will see that you have a payment links section. In there, you can actually create, well, payment links that are much more easier and effective to gather payment from potential customers who then become customers right after they effectively check out on your payment link. HubSpot has the ability to auto generate deals based on these payment links payments. If you don't know how to do that, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly where to find how to automatically set your payment link to auto generate deals for you in any specific pipeline and on any specific stage within your deals pipeline. Check this out. To make a payment link auto generate deals for you, hover over to your sales tab right here and go to payments and then payment links. In here, choose the payment link you actually want to edit. In this case, I will choose Premier, SEO subscription, and onboarding. I'll hit actions and then click edit. Now, if everything is good on my end for me to save this particular payment link, the way that I would just enable it to create deals for me whenever somebody actually purchases via this payment link would be I would have to go to the settings tab right here in the middle, settings, and make sure to toggle on this particular toggle right here, which is allow this link to create new deals. When a customer pays, the payment will show on associated deals. If a deal doesn't exist, we'll create a new one. So I'll just toggle that on. And then in here, I have to actually choose which pipeline and stage I actually want to place that payment link on. Since it is a payment link and you're getting paid for it, you're getting revenue coming in from that specific sale, I would generally suggest, choose your default pipeline. In my case, it's the demo sales pipeline and the close one stage, just so that you know that is actually money that came through the door. So I will leave it as is for now, but you definitely have the option of selecting whichever pipeline or deal stage you want that to be created on. You have more options there, but actually this would be good enough to create a deal and then just hit save on the top right corner, and that'll be it. Remember, within your payment link, go to settings, toggle on that auto create deal section within it, and you'll start seeing deals come through via prospects and or well then clients who pay for your products and or services using that specific payment link. Remember, education is great, but the execution is where it's at. So go out there and be the hub hero that your organization needs today.